TechKNOW is back and bigger than ever.
TechKNOW 2022 is a 2-day complimentary IT event hosted by Matrix Integration.
Are you looking to discover new ways of implementing solutions to save time and money and that allow you to focus on your clients versus your internal IT? Are you looking to network with leading technology partners and industry leaders?
If you are eager for more knowledge about the latest and greatest in technology and how that could impact your business, then you don't want to miss TechKNOW 2022. TechKNOW 2022 will offer business and strategy executive sessions, as well as sessions hosted by our partners discussing the newest technology solutions. TechKNOW will feature topics around managed services, technology infrastructure, security, and consulting. TechKNOW will be valuable for C-level, business owners, IT leaders and influencers, superintendents, operations managers, engineers, and technical staff within the industries of education, finance, manufacturing, utilities, and small businesses. This year's TechKNOW event allows you to design your day, stay for the duration, or choose the sessions that will help your business the most. This year's event will be held in Jasper, Indiana, and will begin on April 21st with a golf scramble at the prestige Sultan's Run, followed by TechNIGHT, a networking event at the new River Center High Pointe Rooftop. TechKNOW will be held on April 22nd at the brand new Thyen-Clark Cultural Center, located by the riverfront in downtown Jasper, Indiana.
Discover what's new in technology and network with industry leaders. We can't wait to see you at TechKNOW. Register at the link below.